Welcome everyone to CityCruz'nAdventures. December the 2nd. Time is 8 o'clock p.m. And it has snow has fallen here in Cincinnati, the Queen City. Look how beautiful this is, y'all. Getting both views from over in Campbell County side. All the snow falling on over there. Looks beautiful. The holidays have come. Big Square. They lit this bitch up Friday night. This is the tree. Holidays out here in the Queen City. Old man Winter just dropped 4 inches of snow on us early this morning. It's early Christmas. Christmas here today. We're gonna head up there to the new skate rink location next to the new energy center. This is the first year this has been in. Alright, I'm going to end this video with this beautiful view of the suspension bridge. What a beautiful view. Thank you everybody for stopping in and watching my short City Cruising video. I'll be back with more. Happy holidays. Let's get it.